for that. Kung halimbawa galing sa level 3, gusto niya mag-ash, ito muna yung gamitin natin anti-orange. Kailangan eliminate mo natin yung orange na. Okay? And then, after 45 minutes to 1 hour, nakita mo orange pa rin siya, pwede ka ulit magpatong on top ng anti-orange. Kasi galing siya sa reddish eh.
Ang original. From black sa mata.
Pero ito, darker color. Ito, bleach, kinulayan ng dark. So, bumalik siya sa dati niya.
Kasi guwapa nga model. Mamula ka din. Kita kayo ang tuwan ko.
Kita kayo ng lago.
Kanang kilok mato sa ubos, matubutang ng kuan, gel pads para pag ato tanggalon tong kuan microphone, dili mo uban ng kuan, kilok mata. Kilok mata ra butang. Tapos ulo.
Oh my gosh, so dark. So dark. Yeah, so I got home already from school. Yeah, we had a lecture product info going on at school, and I really enjoyed that one because they were introducing new product. Yeah. And it's time to eat ice cream! Yeah, it's time to eat cream ice cream. Usually we always have silica, but I wanna try magnolia because I haven't eaten magnolia. Yeah, and the flavor is coffee crumble. Coffee motongas. Oishi ba? What are you watching ba? What's that? What is that ba? Oh, Katy Perry. The flavor of this one is coffee and it tastes so good. Hi guys, we are watching Hansmon 2. Hansmon 2. Hansmon 2. So that's it.
Did not believe her sister.
I'm the only one who's available.
The clearest eye. And when her daughter was but a few weeks old,
Hi ba?
Freya's trusting heart was rewarded at last.
Orchestra mo ba?
Her
So,
love
I'll see you later guys.
he
We'll
would
just
defy
watch
his family and
this
marry
movie.
Freya in secret.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Magic awakens in your heart. It won't. You both know it won't work like you.
We're watching Huntsman
Our blood, our gift to prayer.
2.
And in time,
Huntsman
you will
2.
find the source of your power.
Oh,
Mine. We'll see.
I cannot see, it's so dark.
What you're carrying is true.
Cannot see our face. But it's still, yeah, it's a little dark outside.
Wow. He's promised you another.
Cannot see everybody.
They're engaging.
Hi friends! Good morning! But actually, it's not morning. It's almost 1 p.m. So sorry for the house because the house is so cluttery. Hi, Dai. So we are getting ready because we are going swimming. But actually, I'm done taking a shower. But since it's very, very hot, oh my gosh, it's like around, I don't know how many degrees today, but it's really hot and we need to take a shower. And maybe at 2:30 in the afternoon we'll be going out to have a swim because we haven't been to the pool yet or to the beach. Diba, Dai? Are you excited to go swimming? Wait, what about Baba? What about you, Ba? Ba, are you excited, Ba? Oh my gosh. Huh? Yes, so anytime now, like around, yeah, we will be leaving 2:30. CEBU WESTOWN LAGOON. So this is how exactly the place looks like. And they have a store here where you can buy your swimming pool stuff. So this is pretty much it. Today is Friday and there are really a lot of people. Yeah, it looks good. So this is the other side of CEBU WESTOWN LAGOON. So that is their slide. Yeah. Pretty cool, and that's the pool. Jump, 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 jump. Everybody. Whoa, where is everybody? And that's the big slide from there. Hey guys, so we are now we're swimming here at CEBU WESTOWN LAGOON, and the kids are swimming now. Bye! So they are here at the kids pool. Baba is going to take a slide. Ba! How does it feel, Ba? Your turn. Your turn. Getting dark now, guys. That's why it's so perfect to go swimming. Oh, by the way, they also have a playground over there. I'm ready to swim.
Swim. She called it swimming.
Swimming inside my mouth. Best part when swimming is eating. Diba?
Oh, pag yapit ko di money in the lubag.
Finally found this Bangkok tamarind at Park Mall, and how does it taste?
Oy, manguwan. Diwasaris manguwan.
Do you like it?
Okay. Manguwan yun. Sudlay ninyo. Apa lagi?
I'm eating this one. It tastes so spicy. Yeah. Very spicy. But spicy in a good way. I look like an alien without this eyebrows. Hey friends, so we are already home and it's almost 12 midnight already, and everybody was so tired and sleepy already. but they are still on their iPad. But I'm so tired and sleepy already. Yeah, so we need to say goodnight now, and I do hope that you have a wonderful day as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. So I hope to see you in my next video, guys, and I love you always. Peace.